my front.
This might have been a Mervyn's before, or the elevator was replaced. What do you think?
It's hard to tell, to be honest. I don't know.
Let's go back to 1 and get off at 2.
Call up.
I think if this was a Mervyn's, I think this replaced the old elevator. You can kind of tell. Let's get off at 2.
We're at Burlington and Telephone Plaza, 4762 Telephone Road, Ventura, California.
Nice. Does that plate scream out Schindler?
Yeah.
Then this was probably a new one.
300A. I'm gonna start on the bottom.
Okay, I'm gonna get the escalators.
Okay.